Meron ditong nag-aalinlangan, maaaring may katanungan na hindi alam ang kasagutan. Pero I'm seeing both parties. I don't know. Like, ikaw to at saka kung sino man tong kadil mo. Like, nandito kayo sa punto na parang naguguluhan kayo. May kasamang takot na rin. So, I don't know what's going on here. But I'm getting the energy of both of you are confused about the situation. Both of you. Like both of you. So, I don't know what's going on. Let's keep moving. There could be something painful or a painful situation right here happened between you guys. Let's see. Thank you so much, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, I'm seeing a lot of twos right here. So definitely, parehas talaga na parang may pagdadalawang isip, may parang walang kasiguraduhan, or parang I don't know what's gonna happen next. Parang ganun yung nangyayari. Pero there's a lot of prayers na sana mabigyan ng wish ang katuparan ng wish. But I don't know, I'm getting that same wish. Yung wish mo, parang wish rin nung kadil mo. Let's see. Can we have a clear message on this one, please? For my collective. For my collective. Just gathering up the right energies for you guys. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, Spirits and Angel guides, for being here with us in this reading. Okay, let's go. Oh, so definitely merong separation dito, collective, no? May separation pero meron rin ulit na pagtatagpo. And these are two major arcanas right here, the Tower and there's this Judgment. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that kayo ito, no? Ng the person that you're dealing with, kayo ito na pinaglayo. Okay, pero muli kayong pagtatagpuin dito ni Universe. Yan, no? So, kung ano man yung separation, ano man yung naging dahilan, general reading ito mga mahal, no? So, kung ano man yung naging dahilan kung bakit kayo rito nagkahiwalay ng taong yan, nakikita ko na ang may gawa nito ay ang Universe dito, no? Pero muli kayo rito pagtatagpuin. Mhm. So, yeah, alamin natin no, kung ano pang mga iba pang information about this one. Let's keep moving. Oh. So definitely, I'm seeing right here that this is just a pagsubok with this Hierophant energy. Yeah. So whatever it is, I'm seeing that with these three major arcanas right here, definitely it's the divine interfered in this type of connection with someone. Nagkahiwalay kayo, maaaring nagkagulo rito, maaaring nagkaroon ng separation at nagkaroon ng tuldok ang inyong connection or ang inyong communication here. Like literally, you close the page of your love story with whoever this person is. Pero hindi pa pala natatapos doon ang kwento ng inyong love story. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko rito na mukhang ibabalik kayo ni Universe dito sa isa't isa kasi kung ano man yon, hindi yon gawa ng tao. Ang paghihiwalay na yon, ang sitwasyon na yon, no, ay gawa ni Universe dito upang tingnan, upang subukin ang inyong relasyon kung kayo ba ay handa na sa panibagong chapter ng inyong life. It's like, ready na ba kayo para sa chapter 2 of your love story? Ready na ba kayo para sa book 2 of your love story right here? So yeah, alam mo yung parang hindi mo inaasahan? These are those people, unahan ko na kayo, no? So, kung hindi kayo open for pakikipagbalikan with whoever this person is, then this reading is not for you, honey. Okay? Pwede ka manood ng ibang readings natin dyan kasi timeless naman yan. Kasi this reading is what I'm getting. I'm picking up right off the bat that this reading is for those energies na ready na makipag-ayos, magpatawad, at magsimulang muli sa kanilang um, person dito, no? Sa kanila rito ang past person. So, yeah. And mga babes, no? So, whatever the case may be, yun ang tinatakbo ng reading natin dito, isa itong pagsubok, no? Na sinusubok lamang ni universe dito ang tatag, no? Para kayo ay tingnan kung ready na ba sa inyong next chapter of higher level commitment para sa isa't isa. Pinaghiwalay kayo pero nakita kong pagtatagpuin kayo muli. Yan, no? So, yeah, there could be blockage of communication, just like what I've mentioned with this Five of Coins energy. Yeah, this person could have left you, yeah, because yun yung kailangang mangyari with the Tower right here. Okay, that's supposed to happen, yeah, and the universe looks like bringing you back together. Merong truth kung bakit nangyari yung separation na yun, yung ending na yun, and I think yun yung truth na ito. Yeah, ito totoong sinasabi ko rito, no. Kumbaga parang ako yung hukom rito, mga mahal, no, na ako yung nag-a-announce dito, no, may megaphone. Excuse me. Mic test 1 2 3 1 2 3 concert pala. So, it looks like this is the truth. Ito na nga sinisiwalat ko dito, nire-reveal ko sa inyo, no? So, I'm seeing two people right here, no, na parang super drastic. So, sudden, biglaan na paghihiwalay ninyong dalawa. Like, hindi mo talaga yun nakita. Like, you do not see that coming, no? Yung separation na yun, especially, you are so happy together. Like, you've joined. Alam mo yung kakakawa ko rito, nang parehas yung inyong kumbaga sa dalawang Two of Cups, no, parehas yung timbang, mga babes, no, ng inyong atensyon para sa isa't isa, passion para sa isa't isa, love para sa isa't isa, kaya kung ano man tong nangyari na to, like biglaan, feels like biglaan na nag-end tong relationship connection ninyo na parang just like that, nag-end na. Yan. No? So, yun pala mga babes, no? Ay isa lamang pagsubok kasi with the judgment right here, the universe will resurrect this connection. The universe will be the one, okay, na ipagtatagpo sa'yo ulit itong tao na to, collective. At yun yung truth at yun yung clarity about this separation, about this leaving you out from the cold, about this person here, yeah, na umalis sa buhay mo, pero ayan, magbabalik siya. Actually, parehas kayo eh. Nakuha ko rito ng dalawang reflection ng mirror. Alam mo yung pag nagtapat yun, 'di ba? Parehas mo makikita yung reflection on both sides. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here, no? Parehas kayo rito, no, na dumadaan sa matinding pagsubok na nagkahiwalay kayo rito. Like you have this both longing to be with each other. Yeah. Pero yun nga, no? The moment that you try to reach out your person and your person is try to reach out to you, laging meron ditong parang may mga nangyayaring hadlang or may nangyayari ritong temporary pause, temporary break na hindi inaasahan, no? Kasi it's not yet time. It's not yet time para kayo ay magtagpo. Hindi pa kumbaga sa prutas, no, hindi pa hinog, kaya hindi pa pwedeng i-harvest, 'di ba? So whatever the case may be, what I'm getting from that is that you both guys, mukhang piniprepare kayo dito para sa isa't isa. Yung, you know, this separation here is just a challenge. This is just a test from the universe right here of how strong you are and how capable you are to manage that deeper level of connection. How capable you two, okay, to balance each other's emotions and feelings. How tatag you are kapag dumating na yung mga pagsubok sa inyong life. Are you really ready? Yun, diba? So, ganun talaga mga base, mga nakagulat rito ang revelasyon si universe, no? yan ang handog nila, no, sa ating lahat dite. Pero yun nga, no, in your case, yan, yung separation ninyo ay temporary lamang, no? Yan ay hindi permanente kasi nakikita kong kayo ay magkakabalikan ulit. So yeah, see, we have here the King of Cups energy right here. So let's keep moving. Woo! Together with the destiny right at the center of your reading. So wow, whatever the case may be, see, looks like the clock is turning right here, counterclockwise, going back to the old days. Yan, no? So nakikita ko, alam mo, hindi ko alam pero walang nagbago. Parehas man kayo nasaktan sa separation na 'to, pero yung pagmamahal pantay pa rin, pareho pa rin. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo hindi 'to para sa lahat, eh. Kasi kung ikaw 'to natutol ka sa pakikipagbalikan sa ex mo, then mahal, this is not your reading. Manood ka muna ng ibang mga reading diyan kasi timeless naman 'yan. Pero this is for those people 'no, that they have this strong feeling of very intense 'no, na parang person ko talaga yun, alam ko sa dulo kami talaga. Person ko talaga siya, alam ko na kahit na anong mangyari, mahal niya ako. Ito nangyari sa amin, isa lang itong pagsubok. Yan no, if that is you, and you believe that that is that, then this reading, it might be for you. Diba? Then this reading is maaaring para sa'yo. Yan, no? So yung nakikita ko rito, there is a counterclockwise bringing you guys together once again with whoever this person is who has lots of love for you. Yeah, lots of love for you, emotionally available only for you. And I'm seeing that this person right here is ready now to be with you, to start all over again. And whatever it is na nangyari, ano man yun, naging dahilan, naging rason, it's part of the plan of the universe. And I'm seeing you bringing back together into each other lives once again. Yeah, at yun na, ooh! Ikaw ang sagot yan sa kanyang dalangin. Yan, dininig ng langit. Yan. So, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari rito, pero yun nga, no, mga babes, no. Thank you so much, Birds and Angel. Guys, ibinigay nyo ditong mala puzzle na riddle sa akin. So, ayun nga, no? See, mga babes, tapatan kayo rito. You've got your divine counterpart, King of Cups energy, Queen of Cups energy. It's now time for you to face each other. Magtatagpo na kayo nito, no? And time, oras na para kayo ay magbalik sa piling ng isa't isa. Oras na para kayong dalawa rito ay magsama ng muli sapagkat kayo ay handa na. Yun. Handa na for season 2? Handa na for book 2 of your love story, no? Kumbaga sa movie, part 2 na tayo. So, ayan mga bis, no? So, kung sino man tong person na to, no, walang duda na itong person na to ay talagang parehas kayo rito na hindi nyo naman talaga nalimutan ng isa't isa. Parehas talaga. Alam mo yung bigat ng energy, like parehas talaga. This is your energy with the 50%, and this person completes that 50%. So you've got 100%. Yeah, criteria. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you right here. Magtatagpo kayo ulit dito. Yeah. Kung si Universe, mga babes, gumawa ng paraan para magkahiwalay kayo noon, sila rin ang gagawa ng paraan upang kayo magtagpong muli. Kasi hindi naman yun hiwalay na talagang over na, ending na, wala nang rebirth, no? Pero dito, kasi sila yung naghiwalay sa inyo, so sila rin yung magbabalik sa inyong dalawa dito. 'Di ba? Ganun talaga. Sometimes, no, naughty si universe. Baka mabatukan na naman ako dito. Pero, yun talaga yun, no? I have to tell you that. Universe is sometimes tricky here. Sometimes, universe is a little bit playful. But they're taking you, okay, to the path kung saan ka talaga dapat mapunta. So, ibig sabihin, isa itong paghahanda, no? Para kayo rito ay magsamang muli kung sino man tong tao na to. You both miss each other. There are equal contents of love. I missed you, This person misses you too. I missed your hugs. I miss your kisses. I want to be near you. I want to get close to you. I want to kiss you. I want to touch your lips. I want to hold your hand. I want to hold your face. I want to be always next to you. That kind of feeling. Like you both miss each other so much. You both miss each other so much that you just can't, okay, help yourself, no, na maging very emotional sa pagtatagpo na 'to. Alam mo yung unang kita niyo pa lang rito, baka may ma-teary-eyes dito, no, yung isa maaaring hindi teary-eyes pero parehas kayong may emosyon ng yearning, longing for each other. So, nakikita ko na yun ay, magkakaintindihan na, 'no? Tinginan pa lang at yung nararamdaman may pagkakaintindihan na. Hmm. Yeah. You both worry. Parehas talaga kayo. See? Nine of Wands energy and Nine of Swords energy. See? Wala kayong kaalam-alam. It's like you're mirroring each other here. So you could be twin flame soulmates as well. Okay? Just take how this reso. So yun nga mga babes na nakikita ko rito. Parehas kayo nag-aalala rito. Let's see what's next. Oh, 'di ba I mentioned the Two of Cups kanina, like there's parehas timbang. So see, you both love each other talaga. Meron talaga kayo ritong same feelings and emotions for each other. Parehas kayong worried because this is a worrier, this is a overthinker here, overanalyzer. Like to the point na tumabingi na yung headband do'n, no? Parehas kayo nag-aalala if kailan kaya mababalik, mababalik pa ba kami sa dating kami, babalik pa ba yung mga dati naming memories, madadagdagan pa ba yung mga happy moments namin together. Like you both make alala right here if this connection will still be given a chance. Yeah, see, you both love each other. So, hindi ko alam. Wala naman talaga ditong specific na pinapakita kung anong klase yung paghihiwalay sa inyo rito kasi baka ma-judge ko pa si universe dito no? At baka mag-end tong channel ko. Kasi ako naman dito yung lagot. Diba? So, whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates with you guys. Pero yun yung nakikita ko rito. Like, you both yearn for each other. Like, you both long for each other right here. So, yeah, with this Two of Cups energy, I'm seeing you getting back together. We'll exchange these two cups right here. Like, this is, love is sweeter the second time around. Mm. Yay, boy! Ay, nakikita ko rito, di ba? So, yeah, let's see at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, you do not see this coming with the moon right here. This is something here hidden to you. Pero kinanta ko na yung truth kasi ako nga yung dito yung parang hukom or tagapag-announce, no? Kaya nang kagaya na sinabi ko kanina. And with the Eight of Coins energy, alam mo, harapan talaga kayo. Oh, harapan. Harapan mga babes, no? Ganyan ko kasi yan ilalagay. Harapan yan. So, ibig sabihin parehas ninyong gustong i-work out ito, no? Itong pangalawang pagkakataon or itong isa pang pagkakataon, no, na ibinigay ni universe sa inyo, guys, no? Parehas ninyong gustong mag-invest pa ulit once again into this type of connection here. Wow. Wala akong masabi. You're both meant for each other. May separation man, pero kayo ay muli ritong pagtatagpuin, no? At meron ditong reconciliation, may rekindle, may resurrection, may reconnection. Meron dito na isa pang pagkakataon upang kayo ay mahalin ang isa't isa. Taray! Sino ka dyan? So, sino-sino man to mga babes, no? Ang importante, parehas kayo rito ng nararamdaman, no? And I think, kung ano man yung nangyari in the past, malaki ang kanalaman ni universe, kaya sisihin nyo siya. Aimer, yan, no? Kay universe, alam naman yan, na joke lang yon. At sa spirit and angel guide, okay, ko, yan, alam na nila yan, no? Ganito talaga ako. So, whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates with you. Okay? Sa mga new subscribers, sana magstay pa rin kayo, no? Normal po yung energy reader. Mukha lang may salpik. So, yan, no? Thank you so much. Sana ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.